Retailers found in breach of violating the prescribed packaging for the sale of sugar could face a fine of up to $3 million. Agriculture Minister Carl Samuda made the announcement at a press briefing today. Under the new rules governing the sale of the product, the minister also revealed that there will be a quota for the importation of refined sugar for the retail trade. TVJ's Janella Precious reports.
The changes to the rules governing the importation of refined sugar on the retail trade are now in effect. A major component is that licenses to import refined sugar for the retail trade will be restricted to the Sugar Industry Authority and approved marketing agents. There's also a quota of how much sugar can be imported, the amount 10,000 tons per annum. Mrs. Samuda explained that this was determined based on the estimated volume of sugar consumed locally.
Before this, you would walk into a supermarket and you would see sugar being dispensed in little bags. You don't know the source. When you go and you check the bag and the weight and everything, you have no clue as to really the source or what is the quantity, unless you carry around a scale with you. And the days of measuring sugar is gone. So this is an attempt to ensure that we enter the modern way of doing business.
The minister stressed that under the new regime, retailers must comply to the prescribed packaging arrangements. Failure to do so will result in the products being confiscated. A fine of up to $3 million will be imposed. The Consumer Affairs Commission is charged with monitoring every retail outlet where refined sugar is sold.
Every nook and cranny of the country. You know, I saw a friend, my friend at Red, that was showing that him broke the bag and him selling it with some little ordinary bag and this and that. Well, that's not going to last long. Trust me, it's not going to last long. So we have to comply with the law.
But currently on the market is the 1 and 2 pound packaging. The half-pound bag is still not available. We put the concern to the Agriculture Minister.
It appears to me, from what I have been advised, that we are in the advanced stages of providing all the necessary bags that will be able to allow us to market both refined sugar and brown sugar in quantities that will satisfy the smallest consumer at the corner shop level.
Despite concerns, Mr. Samuda maintains that the new rules have been developed in the best interest of the sugar industry. Janella Precious, TVJ News.